Here's how to find replacement parts for your lawnmower or snowblower. First thing you want to do is figure out, is the part you need specific to the engine or is it specific to the frame? If it's specific to the engine, like this Briggs & Stratton for example, if you look around you'll be able to find this little plate that has a model, a type, and a code number on it, and you'll need those when you go to search for your part. Similarly, if you have a snowblower, it's probably a Tecumseh engine. And if you look on the cowling, which is this part right here, you'll find a similar kind of nameplate that has the model number information that you need. Now, if you're really lucky and you have a newer lawnmower like this Briggs & Stratton has a QR code you can scan, which will take you right to their website where you can find schematics and all the rest, okay? Now, if you're not looking for an engine part, but rather you're looking for a part that goes on the frame, say, there is a separate model number plate specific to whoever made the mower itself, because they are just buying engines from Briggs & Stratton and Tecumseh and putting them on their frame, okay? So under the seat on this one's made by Frigidaire of all things. But there's your model number information. On the snowblower, if you look on the back, there's a plate from MTD with the model number information on it. And on this Lawn Boy push mower, if you go to the back and lift up the grass guard, there's a plate. Okay, so pretty much every mower and snowblower will have two different plates, one for the engine, one for the frame. So if you start to Google that information or go to Jack's Small Engines, that's a pretty good website for finding the parts you need. So my goal when I'm looking for parts is to use the model number to find the number of the part that I need. And then between Jack's Small Engines, Napa, Amazon, and eBay, those are the 4 places I'll usually go. You'll probably be able to find the best price that way.